And what this means is the model has been changed, but the GUI on the screen hasn't changed the display. So we want to wait to make sure that the GUI on the screen is up to sync. So what we're going to do is we're going to push this runnable on a little to-do list inside the GUI thread. And the next time the GUI thread has a chance, it's going to run this thing for us. That releases control here so that the GUI thread can finish the update cycle that it's going through. And this is real important in this particular example. You can get some very weird results out of this, and sometimes you get an exception saying that you were trying to modify during a notification. So we just want to take that, set it aside, and say do this as soon as you get a chance. And then whatever that runnable is, which is setting the description of the model, we'll do a little bit later. Okay, we could also have pushed that off to a different thread if we really wanted to. Okay, but in this particular case, because I'm calling get text on the field, I want to make sure that happens in the user interface thread so that everything's in sync. Now the to-do list view, he gets actually quite a bit simpler. My model setup, same type of thing as before, but you'll notice that there's no special code here to populate the user interface. That's being handled by that list model. Anytime the list changes, it updates the list on the screen automatically. We don't need to worry about that anymore. Swing's taking care of that for us. So all I'm doing is the connect and disconnect thing here. When I'm setting up my GUI, I'm going to create my model. This is the real to-do list model. So this is the adapter here, that list model guy. I'm going to plug it in to the JList that I'm creating. I'm going to create a renderer, which is that rubber stamp guy, plug him into the list. I'm going to say whenever the list changes, set the model in the to-do view. Pretty simple. And then